and cover the coast from here. Same applies to the resistance. The stop loss for the sell trade that I opened at 616 is right here. So if the price pushes to the upside, and breaks the level, it will activate the stop loss and then continue to push to the upside to this level 623. I mentioned last week that it might happen that the market is not really looking for this resistance level, but that resistance level there, which is 623. So if the market is looking for that level, I'll be able, like if the market breaks this resistance and trigger the stop loss, I'll be able to make more profit, right? I'll be able to make more profit and cover the loss. In other words, the buy trade will accumulate more profit. So that's it, guys, from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I will keep you updated. I'll post another video. Hi guys, welcome back. We are still following the market of New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. The breakout on 616 has occurred, and these indicate clearly that the level that the market is looking for is 623, which is the next resistance key price level. The profit from the sell trade has been protected, and the buy trade is accumulating more profit. So as the price pushes to the next resistance level, we will accumulate more profit and cover the loss from the sell trade. Let me take you through. What you see here is the chart of the New Zealand dollar versus US dollar, and is opened in a daily time frame. As you can see, this is how the market closed, guys. This candle closed above 616. The closing of this candle confirms the breakout on this level on 616, and it also exposes this level 623. It means now that the market is pushing to this level. The buy trade is going up to accumulate more profit. In other words, it's going to generate more profit as the price pushes to this level. So we will be able to cover the loss from the sell trade. Remember, in the last video, actually the first video, I explained my trading plan, which was about selling at this level. You can see that the price or the market reacted very well. Like the price moved in my favor. However, right here, it found support. This was not a surprise at all. This is actually what I was expecting. If you remember what I mentioned in the previous videos. In the previous videos, I mentioned that the market was likely to find support right here. This trend is also one of the things I spoke about. Sorry about that. This trend. I spoke a lot about this trend in the previous video. In the previous videos, I mentioned that it was likely to contribute to the breakout of this level 616. Remember, the stronger the trend towards the level of value, the higher the chances of breakout at that level of value, which is what happened here. So the reversal here is not a surprise at all. It's actually what I was expecting, even though my initial trading plan was about holding the sell trade until this swing low. I considered the possibility of the reversal here. If you remember the previous videos. So I was looking at this market with different perspectives. The perspective of the sellers and the perspective of the buyers. And another thing that I wanted to talk about, guys, is this level right here. If you look closely, you'll notice that the market found support here and reversed until 616. And from there, it shot to the downside. The selling that occurred at 616 gave birth to this massive move. But now I want us to look at this level now. I want us to look at this support. This support is the same support that the market respected right here. Is the same support level, or is the same key price level that the market respected right here. So the combination of the trend, which is the current trend, this one, and this support forms a strong signal of strength. A strong signal of strength. And we might as well say right here, there was a confluence, right? Which contributed to this reversal. The chances of reversal here were extremely high, according to what I've mentioned. So it is very, very important to consider the other perspective. Don't just focus on the perspective of, for example, of the sellers or the bears, and ignore the perspective of the bulls. The market might be at a critical level, while the strength is building up at that critical level. I hope you get me. For example, right here, the market was right at this level at 616. However, the trend was strengthening. The trend was strengthening. And it was increasing the possibility of the breakout. Sorry, the possibility of the breakout of this level, 616. So, according to what happened here, the bulls are winning. The bulls are winning, and we are still making money, if I may say. We are still winning. At Home of FX Traders, we make money from the bulls and the bears. We make money from the bears, and we are still making money from the bulls, right? So I will post another video to keep you updated, guys. And I might go long if the market retraces to this level, 616. I don't want to go long right here, like, because this is still the process of breakout. The market is still breaking this level, so I don't wanna go long right here. I don't wanna go long right here. I'd rather wait for the market to make a new high and then make a pull back to this level, and then from there I will hold until the target. The trade, or the second trade, will increase or will generate more profit it will add more profit like on the buyers. I hope you get me. So that's it, guys, from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a profitable trading week.